Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to sign out from your Google Play Store on your desktop. Watch till end to know about the technique, and please click on subscribe and notification bell button to not miss any update from us. So to sign out Google Play Store from your desktop, you have to just click onto your Google Play Store on your desktop. So basically, Google Play Store provides a service to download the apps you want. You can watch movies, you can read books, you can download apps of your need. So according to our purpose, which is to sign out our Google Play Store account from our desktop, we have to go to the top right of our screen here. You can see this page appears here. We have to simply click on sign out from here and click on it. And yes, we will be signed out from our Google Play Store account. And now we can again sign in by simply clicking on this section. And this will be it to sign out our Google Play Store from our desktop. And if you guys find this video helpful, then you can just give us comments, and please don't forget to click on like and subscribe button. Thank you.